Good morning students, welcome to the maths lesson. In this lesson we are going to revise congruence and similarity, chapter number 8 of book 2. In this lesson we are going to solve the questions of congruent figures, similar figures, scale drawing. Congruent figures. Two figures will be congruent if size and shape both are same. If size and shape of two figures are equal, then two figures will be congruent to each other. And in congruent polygons, all the corresponding angles and all the corresponding sides are equal. These two shapes are congruent because all the corresponding angles and all the corresponding sides are equal. So we write the statement of congruency that A, B, C, D is congruent to A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash in the order of correspondence. A is corresponding to A dash, B is corresponding to B dash, C is corresponding to C dash and D is corresponding to D dash. Similar figures. In similar figures, shape is same but size may be different. Size could be equal or different. And in similar polygons, all the corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of all the corresponding sides are equal. AB and PQ are corresponding to each other, so ratio of this side is 1/2. Similarly, all the ratios are equals to 1/2, so ratio of all the corresponding sides in similar figures are equal. In congruent figures, all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal, but in similar figures, all the angles are equal and ratio of all the corresponding sides are equal. Question: given that EFGH is congruent to LMNO, find the values of unknowns. There are four unknowns: W, X, Y and Z. We take the correspondence from the statement of congruency. E is corresponding to L, F is corresponding to M, G is corresponding to N and H is corresponding to O. This is the correspondence. Now we are going to find the unknowns. W is at angle E is corresponding to L and the value of L is 100 degree. The corresponding angles are equal in congruent figures, so W is 100 degree. X is the angle, that is the angle M. M is corresponding to F, so M and F are corresponding angles, both are equal, so X is also 65 degree. Y is the side EF. E is corresponding to L, F is corresponding to M, side EF is corresponding to side LM, both are equal. LM is 3.4, so Y is also 3.4 centimeter. Z is the side MN. MN and FG are corresponding sides, both are equal because congruent figures. FG is 5 centimeter, so Z is also 5 centimeter. In this example, we are going to solve the question of similar figures. Given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, calculate the value of unknowns. Take the correspondence from the statement of similarity. A is corresponding to P, B is corresponding to Q, C is corresponding to R. So this is our the correspondence. Now we are going to find the unknowns. X is the angle QPR. QPR, this is the angle X. Q is corresponding to B, P is corresponding to A, R is corresponding to C. So QPR and BAC are corresponding angles and they are equal because both figures are similar. In similar figures and congruent figures, all the corresponding angles are equal. So X is also 25 degree. Now we are going to find other unknown, that is the side BC. In similar figures, the ratio of all the corresponding sides are equal. This is the rule for sides. Only these two ratios are using to form an equation. To find the value of unknown, we use an equation Take any two ratio to form the equation. We are using these two ratios because all the values of AB, BC, QR and PQR are given. There is no value of AC and PR. That's why we are using these two ratios. This ratio is not using in this question. Substitute all the values. We have y over 3.2 is equal to 7.5 over 5. Simplify the equation. The value of y is 4.8. Now we are going to solve the question of scale drawing problem involving map scale. A map has a scale of 1 cm to 3 km. If a road has a length of 3 cm on the map, calculate its length. Calculate its actual length. If the distance between two stadiums is 7.5 km, find the corresponding distance on the map. In third part, express the scale of the map in the form of 1 over n in the ratio form, where n is the integer. The scale represents 1 cm on map is equals to 3 km on actual. In first part, we have to find the actual length. In second part, we have to find the length on the map corresponding to this. And in third part, we have to express the scale in this form. In first part, we have to find the actual distance, so write actual on right hand side. 1 centimeter represents 3 km. Unit centimeter represents 3 km on actual. Unit mean 1. So 3 centimeter represents 3 multiplied 3, that is equals to 9 km. This is the distance of 1 centimeter and distance of 3 centimeter will be 9. This could be understood using this example. In this example, one pen cost $10. This is the cost of one pen. This is the cost of unit pen. To find out the cost of any other quantity, like 2 pen cost 2 multiply 10. Multiply this quantity with the cost of unit, with the cost of unit pen, with the cost of one pen. So 2 multiply 10 is 20. Similarly, this is the distance of unit centimeter. So multiply 3 with this 3 to get the distance 9 km. The actual length of the road is 9 km. In part 2, we have to find the distance on map, so write map on right hand side. According to the scale, 3 km represent 1 centimeter. Convert this kilometer to unit kilometer. 3 km to 1 km. 3 km represents 1 centimeter, so 1 km will represent 1 over 3 centimeter. To get unit kilometer, to get 1 km, take this 3 on other side it will divide the 1. So 1 km is equals to 1 over 3 centimeter on the map. So this is the value of unit kilometer. We have to find the value of 7.5 km on the map. So multiply 7.5 with the value of unit, that is 1 over 3. When we multiply these two numbers, we get 2.5 centimeter. The distance between two stadiums on the map is 2.5 centimeter. In part 3, we have to express this scale 1 centimeter to 3 km in this form, 1 over n. When we write any two quantities in the form of ratio, the unit should be same, but in the scale, units are different. So convert them into same units. We know that 1 kilometer is equals to 100,000 centimeters. So 3 kilometer will be equals to 300,000 centimeter. So our scale becomes 1 centimeter is equals to 300,000 centimeter. Now they are same units. So can be written in the form of ratio. 1 ratio 300,000. In the fraction form, 1 over 300,000.